Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change Dodge Journey headlights. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your Dodge Journey is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open the hood to access the headlight assembly, which is usually held in place by a few screws. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Let's get started. Now, let's remove the old headlight. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew the retaining bolts that secure the headlight assembly. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts. Once loosened, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to release it from its mounting clips. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and then twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. With the old bulb out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new headlight bulb into the housing, making sure it's seated correctly, and then twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Next, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb until you hear a click. Finally, slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting position and retighten the retaining bolts you removed earlier. Ensure everything is snug and secure. After installation, it's crucial to test your new headlights. Turn on your vehicle and check both the low and high beams to ensure they are functioning properly. If needed, you might want to adjust the headlight aim for optimal visibility on the road, which usually involves turning adjustment screws. This ensures you have clear vision and are safe for driving. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.